back to the channel. Quick PSA here for today. Now, with maintaining my 335i and also my M5, maintenance is key, right? My biggest thing that I've said for many, many years is maintenance before modifications. Now, I used to buy all my maintenance parts from other, various vendors. Until a couple years ago, I stumbled on FCP Euro. Now, what drove me to FCP Euro was obviously the little bit better pricing, but more importantly, the lifetime replacement guarantee that they sell on all their parts, right? That includes, your oil changes and anything that they sell. So as we get to this time of the year, right, when we talk about Black Friday deals, shopping, all that kind of stuff, I just wanted to, give you guys a heads up that FCP Euro is doing their Cyber Month sale. And this goes on for the whole entire month that we have here. So just like your normal oil changes that you do, liquid moly, 10% off that they have right here. And no coupon needed. It's already active on the site as of right now. So head on out there. You can see the price difference right there if you're looking for your oil change kit. So they got, $10 off your order 125 or more. Obviously code is Cyber Month for that one. $20 off, $250 or more, Cyber Month for that code. $40 off, 500 plus, and code is Cyber Month as well. Free shipping on your order when you spend $49 or more. Obviously it's limited to the US. Of course, that I mentioned, the lifetime replacement guarantee, that's obviously always on everything that they sell on the site. So, and yes, it's real. So you want to go to coupons.fcpeuro.com. I'll just have the direct link for you guys down in the description box so you don't have to type it. Just click on it, head on over there, enjoy FCP Euro during their Cyber Month sale. I will be getting some more oil actually for the 335i because I need to change it again. And I will be doing the liquid moly 5W40 for my M5. So I got to get on there and get some additional oil, see what other parts I need maintenance-wise for probably more so the 335i at this moment. So I'll be out there just like I always do, shopping on FCP Euro. Well, guys, thanks again. Head on over FCP Euro, check them out. Appreciate you stopping in. Check out the other videos I have here on the channel for you. Hopefully I have something that will suit your needs as far as DIY, some maintenance stuff on the 335i, N54, or even the M5. I've got some good stuff on there as well. All right, thanks again, and I'll check with you on the next video coming tomorrow. Take care.